Paul from Carwood Restoration. Here we have some Jensen console panels. Now these are from a Jensen Interceptor 3. This is the gear shift surround. The gear shifter sits here and the window switch is here and the cigar lighter here. And this is veneered on a piece of steel as original. And we've re-veneered this as the original veneer peeled off. We veneer them with modern isocyanate activated glues, and this is walnut veneer and it's polyester lacquered, and then it's flat and polished. We've also got the upper panel here. This is more or less in the centre of the dashboard on the Jensen Interceptor. Heater controls, there's a switch here, a warning lamp here and a radio here, but again it's veneered on steel and it's walnut veneer, and that's Jensen Interceptor 3.